Let's start. The project name is Share Data. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have an edit text where the user would enter some text to share. And we have a button. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the edit text. This is the button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, when the button is clicked, first, we fetch the data from the edit text. Then we create an action sendIntent. Then we put our text data in the putExtra function. Then we set the data type as text/plain. Then we call the createChooser function. This opens an app chooser panel that lets the user choose which app he wants to use to share the data. Here we pass the intent to the chooser. And then we call the startActivity function and pass the intent in it. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement data sharing in Java Android. Thanks for watching.